Welcome to JETA, my dear junior advocates. Now, I want to give a brief explanation about petition under section 317 CRPC. CRPC, as you all know, it is a criminal procedure code. This petition is used in the criminal courts. This petition is a format given under the CRPC for the counsel, and the counsel on record of the case has to file this petition when the accused, that is his client accused, is not able to appear before the criminal court for the case on that particular day hearing. So this is very important aspect. This is not a permanent petition. This is a petition temporarily filed in that hearing, stating that the reason for non-appearance of the accused, and it is also a petition for the counsel seeking permission of the Honorable Criminal Court to permit him to conduct proceeding in the absence of the accused, because the criminal courts, as you all know, will conduct the case only when the accused is present. But here, due to some reason, some emergency, the accused cannot appear. This petition is filed, and the time of the court is not wasted, or the hearing of the case is not delayed. So that is the reason why this petition is introduced in the code. Now the counsel will go on with the case on the day if the magistrate court permits the counsel to appear for the accused and make representation. Now let us go to the format aspect, and I will explain to you how to fill this form. Now I will explain to you how to fill the petition under section 317 CRPC. Here on the top of it, it is stated as in the court of. So here the name of the court and the region has to be filled up. Here CC number, or if CC is not there, crime number, the number and the year. Then coming to the cause title aspect, here it is stated as the petitioner bar accused. So here you have to fill the name of the petitioner. That is, for one accused, the name of the accused has to be filled up here, and you have to state here if he is A1, A2, or the rank of the accused. Then versus the complainant, the respondent bar complainant. Complainant is also liable to change. So you have to fill as per the cause title of the case. If it is SI, put SI, DSP, DSP, like that. Any suitable cause title has to be filled up properly. Then here it is stated as petition under section 317 CRPC. Now the accused above named is unable to attend this honorable court today. So today is having some significance, because it is not a petition permanently filed, it is the petition filed for that date hearing. Due to the reason of the absence of the accused, you have to state it here, and here you have to, already it is stated, the absence is neither willful nor wanton. Neither willful means it is not a willful, it is something which has made due to some inability he is not appeared. So it is not willful nor wanton. Then you are now praying the court to, it is prayed that this honorable court may be pleased to condone the absence of the accused, and the accused may be permitted to be represented by the counsel, that is yourself, by the counsel today under section 317 CRPC, and thus render justice. So here you are seeking permission of the Honorable Criminal Court, dated at Chennai on this the so and so date. The date of the hearing has to be filled up here, and you should sign as the counsel on record. So this petition can be filed obviously by the counsel on record, and no other representing counsel can file this petition. That is very important. And here coming to the docket aspect, the same particulars what I have told you has to be filled up here, and the counsel name, that is your name, and for whom you are representing has to be filled up here. Counsel for accused. Accused means you have to specify which accused, if there are more than one accused in the case. So this is how this petition has to be filled up and filed by affixing the appropriate stamp of the as per the Court Fees Act.